Hey, this is Sakina Kasme, your digital girl, and today we are going to learn how to create your abandoned cart sequence. So, whenever a new lead comes in and they're interested in your purchase, it can be anything your ebook, any coaching program, a workshop, a webinar, or anything, and they filled out the first step. So, you're going to use this funnel. For example, when a lead comes on this page and they fill out this first step but they don't make the purchase, then we call it abandoned cart or abandoned lead. But we don't want them to just in the contact list and we don't follow up, so that's why we are going to create an abandoned cart sequence. So whenever they fill out the first step and if they don't purchase within an hour, they should automatically get emails, and not just simple emails but high converting emails which connects with them, engage them, and then promote the product, so they take the next step, which is making a purchase. So let's start, and this is an example funnel that I'm gonna use as a trigger. So the first thing I have to do is create a product, because in order to create the abandoned cart trigger, we need to create the product first. We already have a product. I'm going to just use demo product. Let's go to automation. In this video, I'm going to show automation part first, and then we can create the emails. Let's start from scratch. It's abandoned cart sequence, and let's say it's demo product. I'm gonna add 5 because we have 5 emails. Now the important part is how we add the trigger. Let's add a trigger. So trigger will be different than what we used in the lead nurture sequence. We are going to use order form submission. Then we're going to add filter. The filter will be the first step we need to do is select the funnel or the website. So this is a funnel we are going to use it for ebook sales funnel. Now we need to add another filter, which is the page. So the page was order page because that's where they're going to take action. We are going to add a third filter, which is submission type. So here you can see we have 4 submission types: bump, opt-in, sale, upsell. The one where there is no purchase happening, we are going to use that, which is opt-in. That's where they fill out the first step. And in order to use this, we have to use the 2-step order form. So let's save trigger, and I'll show in another video how to create checkout and step 1 or step 2 order form. So the trigger is ready. The second step we will add is add an action, which will be tag. You can see these are the abandoned, so I'm gonna just tag abandoned lead. Save. Now the next thing we are going to do is wait, because we want to follow up after 1 hour if they don't purchase. 1 hour, wait for 1 hour. Now there are 2 steps to identify if they purchase the product or not. The first thing is we use if else condition, and then we keep using if else condition throughout the workflow. Or the next smoother option is we just add a goal. So I'm gonna just add a goal event, and we are going to add the emails in between. Let's go with the sequence. The first thing we are going to do is send email. Let's create this. I have the sequence ready. I'm just going to create one email. I'm just going to copy this one. Let's say this is abandoned lead, abandoned email 1, day 1. I have the copy of 5 emails, but we are just going to create 1 and 2 so you can see the process. Just going to I copied the subject, adding it to settings. Still thinking about it. Just going to copy the content. In the email, we need to use this. It auto captures a name, and this is just dummy content, but you can see how it captures the attention. I noticed you started grabbing your copy of the product but didn't finish checking out. Just wanted to remind you your step-by-step guide, and then you can add benefits and a link to the purchase. I'm just going, and the email one is ready. Save template. What you can do is just copy the same template and keep adding the content. I'm just gonna copy this day 2 or day 1, email 2, day 1, and this can be sent after 12 hours. Because the lead is warm and they were interested in the product, but for some reason they didn't purchase. That's why we are going to send first email after an hour, and the second email will go out after 12 hours, and the next one will be on day 2. We just going to remove this, add a subject. So this email states what you will miss if you don't purchase this product. So it talks about the benefits and all. So email 2 is ready. Now you can just duplicate and create email 3, email 4. I'm just going to duplicate. I'm not adding the content, but you process, so you can do that for rest of the emails. And let's save template. Let's use 3 emails for now. And now let's go back to the workflow. I'm gonna reload. Now it shows the templates we created. We added the trigger as order form submission, added a tag, and wait for 1 hour. Now let's add email, send email. From the templates, we can choose email 1, day 1. Forget about name and email. We will just add in the settings of the workflow. This is email 1, 1 hour. Let's copy this, paste here. Now wait for 12 hours. 12 hours. Email 2. Select email 2. Copy and paste here. Now we will add wait for 1 day because we don't want to exhaust them. Email 3 and 1 day. I'm going to update the title to 3. Added the steps. Now how we will know that the lead has purchased, so don't keep getting the emails. We will add a goal here, and the goal will be, so we have these type of goals, which is received an email event, clicked a trigger link, removed a contact tag or added a contact tag, or appointment status. We will use added a contact tag. So we have a tag which we assign to a customer, like when they make a purchase they get a tag, so we are going to use that tag as the goal event, and the tag is customer sign up. Let's say, yeah, customer sign up. Now what happens is we just add customer purchased or sign up. As soon as they make a purchase, they get this tag. This workflow will move the lead from all these steps and take it to the end, and then it will move from this workflow as well. Just publish and save. To add sender details, let's go to settings. You can add a name, business name, and email can be your business email. This is the abandoned cart sequence, and this will auto send an email and keep sending. Now it's totally up to you. You add 5 emails, 7 emails, 14 emails. If you're not sending any other emails from the automations, you can use this sequence. Mm, If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more short videos to grow your business. Thank you.